but I love it. I love it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nene and I welcome you to my channel. So today I am doing something very different. I am trying to make my hair pop. Because I got this product from Hair Paint. Can you see that? Yeah, it's called Hair Paint Wax. This is the purple, and there is the gold. So I got both of them and I'm quite confused. I don't know which one to use. It's a temporary color, and yeah, so with one wash it goes away. So you need to dampen your hair, and I'm not doing it all the way. I just want to do like the tips now. And while I'm coloring my hair, I'm also going to be talking about hair stereotypes. So I remember the first time I colored my hair. Now that at that point I didn't have locks, so I was fed up with my hair, and I went to the hairstylist. Said, cut this hair, and he says, no, you have good hair. And I'm like, no, just cut it, I'm tired of this hair. And he says, you want to jazz up your hair, like you want to do something different. I'm like, okay, you know what, just color this hair. So I left my house that day and I came back with red hair. See, the way people looked at me that day, people just looked at me like, aha, we knew it. There was something about this girl. She's wild. She's a wild girl. Anyways, see, and the story for how I started my locks is just different. So I was frustrated with retouching my hair and all that. So I said, you know what, I'm going to go to the salon and cut my hair. That was my plan. But then I looked at my head. I'm like, I have big hair. If I cut my hair, I'll just look weird. So I went to the salon and I started my lock journey. Now I remember that people started, I was stereotyped obviously because I started my locks in Nigeria, and people just started looking at me like, oh, this girl has started to unleash the beast within her. When you have locks, people start to think, oh, she smokes weed, like she's hood. Like they just begin to see you in a different light, like there's something, like you're a rebel basically. And I find that people stereotype people often for their hair. I've heard of people that didn't get jobs because of their hair. I've heard those kind of stories though, and I'm like, it is just hair, like it's not that serious. As long as you make it look good, you style it neatly, I don't think it should be that big a deal. But it's the life that we live. Like I just did like one streak of gold, just a bit to just test the gold, but I love it. I love it.